Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Play Books. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, and after this, in here you can download books. You can download at your Google Play Store apps, or you can download first at your Play Store. Sorry, at your App Store, but in here I use a Google Play Store, so you can search the Google Play Books first, this one, and after this, in here you can install first your Google Play Books and audio books. This is the new update from a Google Play Books. Okay, and after this, in here, after the process has been finished, you can open your apps. Okay, waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, and after this, in here you can open your apps, and now you can choose the Google account that you want to use, this one, and then click OK. And after this, in here you can click on the get started. Now you can choose the books that you want to read. This your gallery. In here you can download first your book. In here you can buy a book. If you wanted to buy a book, so you can click on the books that you want to buy. Maybe this one. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on the download icon, this one, click on it, and after this you can waiting until the download has been finished, and you can open your books and finish. So that how to use a Google Play Books. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.